guys, it's Yoni and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out the Drawstring faux ponytail that I got from the beauty supply store. I only spent about, I believe it was like $15 for this ponytail, and I wanted to try this out. I want to do a Jordan Woods high ponytail type of look. Also, this video is sponsored by Edge Naturale. They sent me this follicle enhancer. So what this means, or what this is supposed to do, is supposed to go in and it's supposed to thicken up your edges. Now, I've been all over my Instagram story complaining about how my edges are thinning, so I'm trying to thicken up my edges. I'm also trying to thicken up my eyebrows. Since we're in quarantine, this is the best time to do it. So that just means not wearing wigs as much, and then also giving your hair a break. And I'm also going to be using this Edge hair follicle as well to thicken up my edges. This is made with peppermint. You can smell it. This is what it looks like, you guys. You can smell it and everything. It smells just like peppermint. A lot of you are aware that I do make wigs for women who experience hair loss. So I make wigs for them, and a lot of them come to me with thinning edges, alopecia, or just thinning or balding type of hair. Some cases their hair follicles are damaged and they are not able to be repaired, but then some hair follicles are still intact, they're not damaged, and you can still repair them with different oils and creams like such. I'm going to be using this follicle enhancer, and what that just means is that when you apply it to your roots, and I'm going to show you because right here you can really see where it's thinned. And it's actually getting better because it was way worse than this. I literally had a bald spot on the side of my head. And I'm like, what in the world is going on? So I'm about to just apply some over on this side. Because, girl, we can't be walking around with, you know, balding edges. If you can avoid it, take care of your hair as much as you can, you guys. There's so many clients that I have that are just devastated with them losing their hair, losing their edges, because a lot of us tie womanhood with our hair and our edges and beauty and everything. So if you are young, make sure you are taking care of your hair now, because with age, it only gets worse. So make sure you are taking care of your hair. Take pride in your natural hair. Weaves are fun, wigs are fun, but you still want to be able to take them out and stunt on these people out here that always be claiming black women don't have no hair. That's why we wear wigs, which is false. That's why I'm always on my Instagram with my natural hair saying dumb stuff like, who bald-headed? Not me. I hate it when people try to stereotype us like, oh, she wearing a wig, she wearing weave, she ain't got no edges under that wig. That's why she keep wearing them wigs. So I gotta stunt on them a few times out of the year, a few times out of the month even, you know, just to let some folks know that I ain't bald under these wigs. Now, I also have a troubled area, because you can use this for troubled areas as well. So make sure you check them out. I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description box. So I found it. So this is like the chunk of hair that I cut out. So this is like my troubled area. So I would want to focus some of this cream over there as well. I want it to catch up. So if you had like a bald spot or something, and you really want to focus on your scalp, you don't want to focus on your hair, you want to focus on your scalp. You're just activating those hair follicles to stimulate them to grow. That's all you're doing, you guys. If you have plants, then you know what I'm talking about, but it's all about the roots. It's never about the leaves for real unless they're dead, but it's all about the roots, and you just want to focus on that. Now that I applied my Edge follicle enhancer, make sure to check them out. I'll make sure to leave all information down below in the description box. So now we're going to move into styling my hair. Yes.
So you get you a fresh bottle of olive oil after you murder my shit, huh?
You mean the moisturizing lotion?
Yes, you kill my shit and go get you a fresh bottle.
How you know I didn't get you one?
You didn't. I already know what's gonna be a problem if I eat crab legs without you.
Every single time.
If I drink this double vanilla red wine without you. Like, you just be claiming so much shit. I miss your ass. I want to see you.
What?
You was a part of my life for damn near 2 months, and then you just poof, gone. You're getting out more, you're doing more things, you're being more productive. See, that's what I was trying to bring out of you, goddammit. You got up in here, you just want to lock yourself up in here and escape for everything and run from the shit. You out running errands and shit, your car, can't put no gas in your car in 2 months. You loving the shit. I almost got all the weed out of everything. I'm about to get up, go get me some crab fried rice before I go to work.
This is what I was talking about with my hair thinning. It's just like right in here, right in here. So I'm gonna be using this heat protective serum, Silk and Shine. I already had coconut oil in my hair, so I use that as a heat protectant sometimes. So I'm not really tripping when it comes to the blow dryer, but I do want to put this on here because I want to get my edges straight. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Just a little bit. This thing high. All the heat that I want to use. I don't want to focus too much on my ends, but I wanted to get this as flat as possible. Now that we straightened it, flattened it out a little bit, I'm a little skeptical about using this on my head because I don't want my curls to revert back and I'm gonna be so mad. I'm trying not to focus so much on the root, just on the ends of my head. So I'm gonna be taking a little bit of the Blue Magic. To keep your hair from reverting back to its natural state, you gotta use like oils, serums and stuff. Grease even, because I want it to be shiny, honey. I'm gonna take some of my jam. My Gots to Be glue gel. So we just gonna leave this on. I'm gonna go ahead and try to do my makeup real quick and I'll be back. So now that I got my face on, I'm about to take this baby out the package. It does not say if you can put heat on here. This is what the ponytail is looking like. This looks like it's yucky. Let me see if you can straighten it. I'm gonna take a little piece from the back and see what it does. Taking just a little piece. Normally when it comes to synthetic, you can't have it no more than like $4.50. I'm so glad I took it from the back. Oh, it burnt off. That sucks. Gosh, I wanted it to be like perm straight. So I guess I gotta wear it just like this, which is not bad. I just wanted it to be shinier and silkier, just a little bit. But I still wanted it to match. So what I'm gonna do is put it on like so. And I'm gonna just make sure the clip, I got a little line there for my makeup. Okay. So I'm about to put the clip in like this. Put it over my bun. Now I'm gonna take the drawstring in the back and really pull it tight. I like mine to be pretty tight. Ooh, I think it's pretty tight. I'm just taking the drawstring and I'm pulling it tight around the little ponytail. I'm taking a bobby pin, y'all. So I'm just combing it over like this. Do I look like Jordan? Do I look like Jordan Woods? I feel like I look more like Nicki Minaj. That's not what I was going for. I didn't burn off all the hair in the back. So I'm gonna take some, just a little chunk in the back. Now I am gonna be using some hairspray. I'm gonna be out and people be like, oh my god, your hair is so cute. I'm gonna be like, $14.99, beauty supply store. I use model drawstring ponytail. It kind of makes me miss my Target runs. I'm gonna have to look for a ponytail that can take a little heat. Even if it's like $3.75, I just need a little heat just to press it out a little bit so it can make it look, you know, I'm a perfectionist. So I love how this turned out. I think it turned out really, really cute. And if you want to see more beauty content, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and share this with your friends, because I'll continue to make these type of videos, especially during quarantine. I want to do a series where I just go to the beauty supply store and just come up with like cute, cheap styles. I think that would be fun. I miss that. I miss like being so broke to where I could only afford to spend, you know, like $50-$60 every 2 weeks to get some packaged hair. I felt like I was the most creative during that time. So this kind of reminds me back in the day what I used to do, literally only having $10 to spend and making it work and making a wig and everything. It used to be so much fun. So let me know if you guys are interested, because I will do a series. I'll probably do it on the Feminine Yoni if it's not sponsored. My sponsored content has to still be posted on this channel because it's sponsored, and the brands that are sponsoring this type of content are paying to be posted on this platform, not my other platform, not yet at least. So hopefully you don't mind. Every now and then I'll have some sponsorship content popping up on here that's beauty related, and you'll see videos like this. But once I get my subscriber count up over there on the other channel, then I can just officially be all over there. That's all that I have regarding this video, you guys. If you are interested, because you guys will definitely see me and my edges grow, because they need to grow. I'm gonna be praying to the heavens, and I'm gonna just be like, God, please, like, please let my edges grow. I'm gonna be using this Edge Naturale follicle enhancer. It's made with peppermint. You can smell it. It smells really good. So make sure to check them out, you guys, because I will be using their product to grow my edges in. Make sure you check out Edge Naturale. I'll make sure to leave all information down below in the description box. And also, if you are new here, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you are notified for when I upload, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye guys.